All right, back we go. Another video. It is Tuesday, February 2nd. Stock market has been closed. Looking at some stocks and seeing where they might go. Round and round they go. Up and down, sideways. All right, PTA's interesting. 28 million float, 77 million market cap. No recent news. Biotech, regenerative biomaterials company, commercialize a range of regenerative tissue products, biomaterials for medicine, biomedical engineering, United States. All right, let's take a look at this. Yeah, it's had a big gap down before. I could take this out. Take out any lines you don't need. It just distracts you. Now, going back right now, see I had a wedge here. See this big gap down? They probably had a failed drug. Something happened. We all know the routine. Came to 3, all the way down to 1. Well, back down here before 1, then fade it sideways. Then you get a nice bounce to 2. Then we went down. The low kept getting squeezed from the high here. That's a falling wedge. And exactly what a falling wedge does. You break out, a little pullback, and then we broke up. And now look at this. This is why I like this chart. We're coming back again. You moved here. You moved the 75. You moved the dollar. So what do you have? The low's getting higher on pullbacks. You're getting less volume, consolidation. And you're oversold. And this could bounce up here. You're forming bases. So let me take this out. Because now you have this 2 line. This 2 line, and you have, what is the line down here? Is that 60 cents? Still say the 75 is pretty good. So if you look at it this way, you have a gap up here. And this gap, I would say right here at 3. Trying to get it in here. Where's 3? Right here. Okay, so you look at the longer range, you're going down, big bounce. Trend is down, basing, try to go up. Another low, trying to go up. Now, the only thing I can see here, let me see this low. Does this connect? Connection points right here. They had one back in August. So if you connect these lines right here, you can see each line on that trend line all the way from January. Now it's touched 2 times. So you're doing this back and forth, and eventually I think we break out from that. What they have one, Infinivis from August, they have one just going like this, pretty much. From here to here. All right. So when you go here, back in 75 cents, and we broke up to 2, and you can see this pretty much double bottom. See, it went below. It did gap a little bit, and then here, got the 60 cents, and then we broke up all the way to 160 and pulled back. Now you can see here we touched once. We made the lows getting higher, and we're pulling up here. We're trying to come up. Yeah, I say we can get to 125, 150 again. This is looking very promising. And then eventually test that 2 line. And if you draw this line right from here, like I just said, what is that? It's a big giant descending triangle, and your low's basing. See, it's not going all the way down to 0, and then you break up from that. It's reversed. So I think we can do that. Your stop here, you really want this 90 to hold. See, it's going levels, went to here. Have that 90-cent hold. And then I think we're getting up to 152 on this. So, I like this chart, the way it's setting up. PTE. All right, METX, we did this a few times. I haven't seen any news in this recently. I thought someone said there's news, but I'm still this chart. If you look back, you had the gap down, sideways holding this 175. Look at it. See this back and forth? Tried to come up here, a little fake out. Then this big move here with this volume, but it didn't do nothing. It went back to 2. Now it's just fading back. You know, is this 175 going to hold? It's great support here. Maybe even slightly below it. And look how it's rounding here. See this stochastics? You're rounding. You're getting closer. You're tighter. Yeah, I think we're going to come up here. It's just a matter of time. So I actually like this dip buy. It's very good if you can get in at this price. So it's looking good. And, you know, you're looking for 3. I think we get to 3, maybe 4. This really explodes. And then FinViz has a line all the way up to 8, 9, right here. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to get there. I don't think we're getting there anytime soon unless there's some sort of crazy short squeeze. I mean, it's possible, but look for this. There's nothing changed here. It's at, watch that 175 level. All right, quick update on that. MKD. No new news on this. China play. All right, you can see this. So we had the big wedge. See this back and forth, back and forth. And then here's your 150 line. Look at this, how many times we touch. 1, 2, 3, here, here. You know, we broke out of this wedge. It's a big volume, big move. It didn't break it, though, again. And look what happens. We come back, later volume. Look at these tails. Touch the 20 EMA, touch the 20 EMA. This is sort of like curving up. And a good move today. So if you draw this, you know, down to like this, you're sort of breaking up here. And look, and put this divergence into it. This is your stochastic line. See that? Look at the low each time. You had that loop in January early, then that high on that 150 mark, and look what it's doing now. So you're touching here, and you're forming a move up each time. So this is more basing, and I like this. I think we're getting back to 125, 150, 125 easy, 150 plus, and then onward to, looking back here, I guess 175 too. So I like how this is turning out now. All right, that's MKD. So a lot of these patterns are sort of in the middle now. They're like setting up. Looks like maybe another run up on a lot of these. And we'll see what happens in this. So interesting. All right, please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trade. Smash the like button, TradeIdeas.com. Check that out. Twitter, Mike Frank 007. TikTok, Mike Frank III. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. StockTwits, Mike Kim and Trades. All right, I'll be back for another video.